I worked on a case a little while ago. It was a single mother. She got into a very serious car accident as a pedestrian. She was standing on the sidewalk, actually waiting to cross the street, and someone, I guess, wasn't paying attention or was on their phone or something like that, and made way too wide of a turn, hit her. She fell to the ground and actually drove away and tried to, I think, flee the scene. Luckily, a bystander saw her license plate, the driver's license plate, and ended up finding her. But it was a scary situation for sure. She suffered a broken leg, a concussion. I think she was knocked out cold for a period of time. Treatment involved physiotherapy, psychotherapy, massage therapy, acupuncture, that sort of thing. Unfortunately, with these sorts of injuries, they might never fully heal. Her injuries, unfortunately, made her not able to work anymore. She had 2 young kids. She had to move out of her home because she couldn't afford it anymore. It can be very daunting at first when something like this happens, because not only do you not know the process, but you're in a serious amount of pain. And on top of that, usually you have a driver saying, oh, I wasn't at fault. It was this other person's fault who's new to Canada, doesn't really know. Maybe they believe that other driver. The plaintiff was new to Canada, so at the time she didn't know the process involved in filing a lawsuit, or even before that, so there was no motor vehicle accident report. She wasn't really sure what to do with the information about the driver, and even the driver's insurance company at first was reluctant to even enter into negotiations, because they said that, how can you prove that our driver is the one that hit her? She wasn't at the scene, she fled. But we ended up proving that through witness testimony, and things like that. So those hurdles are always there, but I find that it's, if you keep pushing and use the evidence you have, it ends up working out well more times than it doesn't. We ended up finalizing what I think is a very fair settlement for her. So it was nice to be able to work on her case and ensure that her family is provided for. I don't think that that would have happened without our help. The system a lot is set up to benefit insurance companies and not people who are injured, through things like the threshold and the deductible, and other sort of provisions in the Insurance Act. But it's very, very important, and one thing that I say is that we do this every single day. We do this for a living. Just put your trust in us, and we'll move forward with your claim. You don't need to worry about anything minor like that, red tape, that sort of thing. Let us do the heavy work and the heavy lifting, and all you need to worry about is getting better.